In a lovely green forest, not too far from here, there lived a very burpy bear. He burped all day, he burped all night, and gave all the animals a terrible fright. He wasn't mean, just full of bubbles. But those burps, oh, they caused lots of trouble. He'd shake the trees with a mighty sound. A big loud burp that shook the ground.